I have two more. The book is ready, Nityananda Yoga. And I should say, see, for each asana, yes, you can project it. Understand? The uniqueness of this book is, for each asana, the original verses are given. The Sanskrit verse, Shastra Pramana. From Vedas and Agamas, the original verse, how to do that, is given in Sanskrit. Then it is translated into English. Then Apta Pramana means like a masters like Maschendranatha, Goraknatha, Patanjali, and Kshemaraja, the many aptas of yoga field, what they say about that asana and their tips, that is given in original Sanskrit. Then that is translated in English. Then my Atma Pramana, my input, that is directly given in English. And any other Sakshi Pramana benefits, like when you do this, which part of your body gets activated. That Sakshi Pramana is described with the photograph of how to do that whole detail. I should say this is ultimate yoga book. Ultimate authentic yoga book. All the 800 asanas Agama talks about, means in the whole Shastra, Shastra Pramana, like a Veda and Agama, these two are the Shastra Pramana. In the whole, we researched, as on now, in all available palm leaves, only 800 asanas we were able to lay our hands. All 800 I compiled. Now you can boldly say, the most authentic yoga book you have in your hand. Most authentic yoga book you have in your hand. You can be very confident about it. And I can guarantee you there is nobody has done this job till now. Nobody has done this job of collecting Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana, Atma Pramana and the procedure. Translating it verbatim and then giving you. Not adding Jingnaka Jak Chak, Chuk Chuk. Now you can say, most authentic, with original verse is already there. So you don't, not only original verse, which chapter and the verse number, with all that is there, with references. And same way I will also come up with the whole cookbook. Cookbook as on now we have translated. We have not made pictures. I will make the pictures of cookbook. See, this is the basic structure I am evolving. Like this full Kriya. See, Sadashiva also talk about around 400 Kriyas. I will come up with a book like the same way for all 400 Kriyas. And recipes, food. Same, this is the same template. Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana, Atma Pramana, actual procedure of translation. Original verse, translation, and the original chapter number and all that, and below practical tips from me, Atma Pramana. This is the template I will follow. With this, I will come up with a dance book. There are 700 dance postures, Sadashiva is explaining. And cookbook, around 400 recipes, Sadashiva is explaining. Then this Vastu, various models and construction is giving. Same way I will come up with a book. And yoga book, of course, done. Kriya, I will come up with Kriya book. Whatever is available, offered by Sadashiva. I'll make all of that in that same template and bring it out for all you guys. I think that is the only way I can make all this user-friendly and for every one of you to enjoy. And I also commit with you guys, all these products will be made freely available. I'll make all this, see, only when they want to come and practice, I may have to ask them to pay to support this infrastructure. But as a knowledge itself, I'll make it freely available in the internet. Anybody can download and practice. I will not make knowledge costly. I'll make knowledge free. So, you guys can share. I'm also going to make it like anybody writes to us requesting hard copy, we will give it free. Just let them pay for shipping, book is free. Now I wanted the Shastra-based yoga to spread. I think this is the only antidote. This book also will claim yoga is Hindu. It will also establish, not by word, by the documentation, it will establish now the original source and the authenticity. I'll do it. So, all the Sanskrit words we have given explanation from the original context here. Yes, it will also be given to you in pen drive. Yes. And the next thing, next that manifestation of powers. The third volume manifestation of powers book is ready. Rajesh, that day I was showing you all the files. So all the files are compiled. Now it is ready. See, from the mala you are wearing in your badge, even about that mala, the original reference where Sadashiva says the number and the red cloth needs to be in between. So all that instruction, actually these are all done as per that. As per the instruction. From that to how you are sitting, all this, we have collected, curled out the references of that original parts from Agama. If people ask you the questions for you to substantiate. So that bunch, I think around 400 page or something. If you go through, you will really enjoy what we have done in every level. In every level, what we have done, you will enjoy. So that is also ready. It is getting uploaded in your app. You can download. This also same original, same template. Original versus translation. And if there is any Apta Pramana found, that Apta Pramana, then my Atma Pramana, and like my footnotes, like few explanations which whatever I wanted to add. All that, even about the mandalas. We have also curled out some more parts that is coming in one more volume, which we were not able to include it in this. But I commit with you guys, all the Sadashivoham participants, I'll upload the whole thing in the app, you download it. I'll be going through some more of this Agama literatures and leaves. I'll sit and consciously scan and all that. I do find some more Apta Pramanas. And when I find all that, I'll compile all that and put it in the app. You can all enjoy. You can all enjoy. Even this onion and salt, I have a clear Shastra Pramana and Apta Pramana. I'll upload it. I'll share with you all. Shastra Pramana and Shaktis, how they are manifested. And I also wanted to tell you all, please listen. Do not think, oh, all these are not for me. If whatever Swamiji says, I will listen and do. All these are not for me. Please do not entertain that attitude. If you entertain that attitude, at some time you get some stupid doubt about me by some media, your whole practice you will give up, which should not be done. Understand? So now itself build the foundation strongly with Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana and me. You will know my authenticity. You will know my authenticity. So do not entertain the habit, oh, all these are not for me, it's going above my head. Whatever you say, I will do it, and if I can't, I won't do it. No. I want you all to be very strongly grounded, standing on a strong foundation and footing, so that the stupid fellows will not be able to, you see, not only media should not be able to take you for a ride, you should question them. Come on, give the Shastra Pramana. They say, no, all that is not required. Then half of the things they have stolen is from here and there. Then why are you using all that? No, you guys should be able to question. You should be able to question the authenticity. And you are not puppet that you can do, you are made to do anything they want. No. It should have the validity of the Shastra. It should have the validity of the Aptas. Otherwise, you are having kakka biryani. How many of you have seen that crow biryani scene? How many of you have not seen? We should never miss that scene. That is one of the important Shastra Pramana. Crow biryani scene. First give Shastra Pramana and Apta Pramana. Then let's speak. This should be our brand. And no one can stand this acid wash other than us. I'm telling you. With all the confidence. Because nobody built from the scratch with so much of clarity about Shastra Pramana and Apta Pramana. From the beginning I was very clear. This is our brand. This is what we want to do. I am not accident.